What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, XRP saw a little bit of negativity recently, and it caused a lot of panic in the comment sections and in chats and just communities, and understandably so. I mean, it dropped down quite a bit, but I'm always trying to be here as kind of that voice to let you know that if you are looking to hold on for a longer period of time, if you're not just looking solely for short-term gains, then this is not the time to get out of that position. However, I know you're probably seeing the title of this video and you're like, Matt sold some XRP. And I did not sell my outright XRP, just to kind of confirm what I've done. I don't I didn't sell any of my 210,000 XRP that I hold for the long term and some for the short term. It just all depends on the price targets that are hit. I'm still holding on to all of that. I haven't done anything with that. However, I did make a leverage trade to which I did take a decent amount of profit from, which I will show you exactly how much I had, as well as how much I was able to take. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Now, the whole purpose of this video is mainly about the fact that I did sell some XRP. So where I did sell it from, I sold it from a place called BTCC, which is a platform I've been talking about for like 5 months, where if you do see major negativity like we saw in the last day, it makes sense to leverage trade, to find places to where you can leverage and find the lowest prices, buy in at those levels, 5x, 10x leverage, or what I did, a 50x leverage, and be able to profit off of that in the end. So feel free to check out my link for BTCC down below. They are partnered with the channel. You can get a 10% deposit bonus as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055 per user, with 40% lower trading fees as well. So make sure you guys check that link out. It's at the top of the description. You won't be disappointed because they do offer a lot with that platform. Now, as far as XRP is concerned, XRP currently stands at $2.67. It's up by 5.5%. However, that is not where it was the entire day. You can see here that within the last 24 hours, at 9 p.m. yesterday, you saw this hit a low of $1.94. That is insanely low compared to the high points that we've seen, which is $3.40. So seeing it drop down that much got a lot of people scared. Even seeing it drop down to $2.50 got a lot of people scared. Then $2, then breaking below $2 is crazy. And some people in the live stream that we had earlier today said they saw it at $1.77. I don't know where that was, but they said they saw it there. So the point is that it dropped quite a bit. Now, it still sits at a $150 billion market cap, and it wasn't the only thing that has dropped down. Everything fell, right? Bitcoin only fell about 4 or 5% or something, but Ethereum ended up dropping by like 15%, 16%, and then everything else was just like 17, 20%, 25%. A lot of altcoins that were dropping quite a bit, even to bring Bitcoin back up to a 60% dominance overall when it comes to the market, which is crazy, especially as we believe altcoin season is upon us. Now, we are still seeing $39 billion worth of volume, which is actually up 247% in the last day. And that's a lot of volume. That's damn near, Ethereum and Bitcoin volume, which it is the third largest cryptocurrency. So it makes sense why it would see that level of volume and the popularity and just all the conversation there. Now, you do have 57.7 billion coins in circulating supply, very close to the 58 billion level, and we'll see more that's added as time goes on. But for me, as I saw these lows, I saw an opportunity for everything. It wasn't just XRP, but I saw an opportunity. I ended up purchasing things outright, which I could get into in maybe another video, buying a decent amount. I don't know what I'll title it. So, but I bought a lot of positions outright, and those are positions that I thought could make huge moves as we see the short term as well as the long term and be able to capture my initial investment. But XRP, I'm at a cost basis of $1.22. So seeing it at $1.95 really wasn't enticing for me. It wasn't a time to dollar cost average down. However, that could have been a time for you to do that or for the next person to do that. It just wasn't in the cards for me. So with that being said, what can I do in order to essentially make money off of the growth of XRP that I know is going to be? From $1.94, how can I make money off of that level? Now, I didn't see it at $1.94. I saw it dropping down. I think it was somewhere around here where it was like 6 or 7 o'clock where I was looking at it. And then obviously things really started to drop down, which I didn't check my phone. A lot of times I don't. But I should have checked it before I went to sleep because I would have been able to probably purchase some at some of these levels at $2.15. However, I did get it early in the morning, somewhere around 4 o'clock. Where I decided to make that move, which is around $2.30 something cents. Now, the best course of action for me was to leverage trade it. Now, again, I use BTCC as my leverage trading platform where I can trade up to a 500x leverage if I wanted to, especially on XRP. Now, in these positions, I still have open positions here. You're going to see XRP at a 50x leverage where I invested $21 and I'm currently up $204. Or 945%. Ethereum, I'm up $254. Jasmine Coin, I'm up $50. Now, Ethereum, I did not touch. Right, that's up 100% of what I invested. But you can see these two are at $20 of what I invested. I actually invested $100 here, and I invested $200 here. So I took 90% of my Jasmine Coin investment, and I took 80% of my XRP investment. If you would do the math and understand that 80% plus this 20%, right? If 20% is 200, then 80% would be 800. It's about $1,000 total that I had in profit. So I decided to take a portion of that. Now, with my trade history, you're going to see some information there where I took $409 of USDT from my Jasmine Coin position, and I also took $745 from my XRP position. Now, the reason why I did that was because I'm looking for a short-term gain there. I'm not looking for to sell my XRP overall, my 210,000 XRP. I'm looking to hold that for a long period of time. As we get to a level of $5, it's my first selling point. We didn't reach that level. So, with that being said, I'm not going to take my initial investment. I'm not going to take any profit out of it. I'm going to sit on what is there. But as we see these ebbs and flows to the market, it's great to be able to take advantage of these. And I was certain that we would see it break through the 50 moving average, that we would see it reach the 200 EMA, and I would go ahead and pull out of that position or pull out of multiple positions, and you could see Bitcoin flying past the 50 moving average and up to the 200 EMA. And if it could break through the 200 EMA, you see more positivity, but it also shows that we could see some negativity to see a bounce or a pullback from that level. So that's why I was like, all right, well, I want to take my short-term profit, so I took 80% of it, but then still leaving, $21 of USDT in here, and still having $209 worth of profit that's still left in there. And if I wanted to take profit at $5, I'll be able to make $1,000+ and depending how long I hold on to it, I can make more money. So yes, I sold some XRP. Was it the XRP that I've been holding for a long period of time? No, it was something that I bought today. It was an in and out move within the same day. Let me know if you've made any moves in XRP, if you made any short-term moves as well as long-term moves. This is not something to where I'm telling you I sold everything that I own in XRP, or even am touching the 210,000, right? That's for future price targets that it hits. So let me know if you bought something in this day. Let me know if you bought some more XRP. If you bought originally at a higher level, if your dollar cost averaging down at those levels. I want to know all the information. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.